right in Hallmark. Look at this one. Oh, she is a 31, 35.
Oh, that's a neat one.
It looks just like him. It even has his eyes. Why, Eric? Run away with you? This is all so stunning.
I remember that scene.
It looks just like.
That's funny. $25.99. Oh, what is that? It's called Little People? No, Precious Moments or
Oh yeah. Yeah, Precious Moments.
$29.99. We have Pinocchio here. Oh, that's cute. So it lights up. Then we have Tinkerbell. Oh, that's bright.
Just sitting in there.
Yeah.
A life-size Tinkerbell.
Oh, Aladdin. Jasmine. Aristocat. Lady and the Tramp. That's actually cute. Oh my gosh. That is so funny. I don't think I ever seen this one. And we have Wally here. Wally's 25.
My cup holder's happy, my tank is full. My engine's running like a Brummer bull. My bumpers is polished and talk about love. I just got a date with ice cream truck.
He's 57. It's funny. This large one. Tom and Jerry.
Oh, that's neat.
That's cute. We have the new Ninja, Garfield, the Minion. They'll probably hear that all day. Shrek, 24. 23. Oh, he doesn't do anything. That would be cool if he did. Megatron. Elmo. Dinosaurs. That is so funny. And look at the Crayola one. That's so cute.
No log cabin.
This one's like an elf workshop. There's no price on it. It's funny. Candy's the bakery. 45. They're not plugged in.
Oh, it's too bad.
Nutcracker. Frosty and Friends. That's what it says, so I don't know.
Or Frosty Friends.
Oh.
I don't know. Could be Frosty.
Santa, look at, he's on vacation. I do like these rocking horses. They're kind of cool. Look at the little keepsake one. The mouse.
It's really nice this year.
This one. Sandal the Sandman. He has like a sub or something. He's hungry.
Huh.
It's cute.
Yeah, s'mores.
2025. Season treatings. That's funny. $165.
Merry Christmas, Charlie Brown.
$38.
That's cool.
Funny. $40. So this sold out, so you gotta go to the Hallmark.com. It's $35. And this one is 55. Oh, he's supposed to sing. He's broken. Who's this one? Funny. Hippo. It's funny. What does this do?
Okay, that's cool. I'm back for a second.
That's funny. Oh, look at this one. Buzz Lightyear and Woody. Oh my gosh, I have not seen the original Toy Story. Looks like they could talk to each other. I don't know where that button would be. I feel like they interact with each other.
I'm sure we'll
This is so cool.
It looks as though I've been accepted into your culture. Your chief, Andy, inscribed his name on me. Well, I must get back to repairing my ship.
All right, that's it.
Unidirectional bonding strip.
Listen, light snack. You stay away from Andy. He's mine, and no one is taking him away from me.
What are you talking
so
about?
funny.
Where's that bonding strip?
They arrested him.
They always play that cartoon on Cartoon Network.
Mm-hmm.
Grandma got run
I never
over.
really watched it.
I watched it one time. It was alright. They just have so many cute things here. Oh, look, babe.
Oh, it's got Darth Vader talking.
Yeah. I don't know if it says anything. Just breathe. That's funny. There's some more back here. We have like Snoopy, a lot of Charlie Brown, The Grinch, Haunted Mansion, Nightmare. Oh, this is the one where they're playing the game.
Now be careful, R2.
That's cool.
He made a fair move. Screaming about it can't help you.
That's not wise, said a Wookiee.
That is actually cool. Here's Star Trek one.
Be the captain of the Starship Enterprise. Welcome aboard, Captain.
He likes Star Trek.
And Star Wars. I like them both. Disney ruined Star Wars for me, though.
Okay.
So I was
And look at all these guys here. It's a tree from Harry Potter. And you know, these are all going to interact with each other.
That's cool.
I know.
How does that work?
Harry Potter must not go back to Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry this year. There is a plot to make most terrible things happen.
And you must be Miss Granger. Yes, Drake has told me all about you and your parents. Muggles, aren't they? Let me see. Red hair, vacant expressions. Tatty, second-hand book. You must be the Weasleys.
Children, it's a man in here. Sit outside.
Well, Weasley Senior.
Lucius.
What's the use in being a
this is
disgrace
gonna go on
to the name of
forever.
wizard?
Yeah, it's like the whole movie. Yeah. The whole
Yeah.
first movie.
They do talk a lot though. That's so cool.
Anyway, it's gonna
Okay, these are $28.99, and if you guys remember my Walmart Christmas video, they had ornaments like this. I can't remember if they were the same price or $25.
I think they're cheaper in Walmart.
Maybe.
I can't remember.
Yeah, but yeah, I did do a video on these. These are pretty cool. Okay, the countdown, more ornaments.
Welcome, foolish mortals, to the Haunted Mansion.
There are several prominent ghosts who have retired here from creepy old crypts all over the world. Actually, we have 999 happy haunts here, but there's room for 1,000. Any volunteers? If you insist on lagging behind, you may not need to volunteer.
Man, it'd be about $600 to get the whole set. That's crazy.
We find it delightfully
Oh, wow.
unlivable
It's
here
the
in
whole-
this ghostly retreat.
That's the whole ride.
When hin
Oh my gosh, Slimer. That's so funny.
It's 25.
Okay, we have ornaments, the Grinch here. These are $5.99 on these little cubes. Large one. And then here's more of the Grinch Merry Whatever and Go Away. It's that time again. Alright. Alright, you guys. This is going to do it for this little Hallmark video. Thank you for joining me on this fun stuff. We have all this stuff here. We have the ornaments. These are Santa, and it has your name, so you can find your name on it. It's nice list. Do they have the naughty one? Is there a version for naughty?
Then they should have one with a grumpy little Santa on it.
They should. How much are these? They're $7. And no name. I guess we could get that written on. Oh gosh. Alright, you guys, please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one.